Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So you guys should have just saw how I use this Janet collection, Esha collection to install this unit right here. Actually, it was about 6 days ago. So I'm kind of doing a two-part video, which is the review on the products as well as the review on this hair. So if you guys haven't checked out my first video, then I'll link it down in the description box so you guys can get all the deets on this hair. Okay, so like I told you guys, this is 6 days post using these two products right here to install this unit right here. So the first product was the Garden Grip Primer, which is the one that you see right here, this little spray bottle. And then the next one was the Lace Wig Bond Glue. So these are the two products that I used to install this unit. If you guys can see 6 days later, like look, it still looks amazing. Now I've learned that I always have issues around my, what is this, my ears, I don't know what this part is, but like my lace always lifts right here in this area, but the lace is just fine on the top part. But as you guys can see, like the wig is still on. You see that? Give you guys a little tester. She is still on, okay? So they did send me a third product, and the third product is the Lace Wig Bond Remover. So that's the third product. So I'm going to go ahead and spray it because it does say that it takes about 2 to 4 minutes to sit on the lace or more. So I'm going to spray while also talking to you guys. So my thoughts about the primer. I'm not sure if I used the primer correctly. I did follow the directions. However, because I did the bald kept method, when I sprayed the primer on, you know, this area, the wig cap did start to revert back, and that's what I did not want to happen. I worked too hard to do the bald cap method, and therefore I did not need the primer messing it up, so I had to work really quickly. The other thing is that I'm not used to this applicator. So I'll show you guys. So like this is the applicator. It's basically like think of like lip gloss or Carmex or something. And so I'm used to where I can like do little dots. This comes out a lot, so you definitely have to be careful with it. And then it kind of like comes out bluish white, like a light blue. However, it does dry clear, so you definitely want to make sure you wait until it dries clear, and then it'll be absolute perfection. And so as far as the holding, I think that is absolutely amazing. I do use another what's it called, bond glue, another wig glue. So in comparison, I definitely would add the Janet collection Esha Lace Wig Bond Glue to my collection when I'm putting on these units, because it works, and you know, we want stuff that works. But also what I'm looking forward to is the Lace Wig Bond Remover. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and spray that right now. Again, let me show you guys up close. Like that's what it's looking like 6 days later. 6 days later. Now, because it is 6 days later, my review of the hair, I've gotten so many reviews, good reviews about this hair. Like, okay, so it definitely has a citrusy smell and taste. Okay, so you want to be mindful of that, because it got all up in my mouth, y'all. But yeah, it's true to form. It definitely says organic citrus, and it does have that. But yeah, again, as far as the hair, people have been absolutely loving it. I've received so many compliments regarding this hair. Uh-oh. At work, if you guys know, I'm a case manager, so between my clients and my co-workers, like everybody has just been loving this hair. So yeah, it's winter for me, and it definitely looks natural. I wasn't sure how the brown was going to look with my skin complexion, but it worked out, and people clearly like it, so I'm here for it. So I would say it's definitely like an oily consistency. It feels like very greasy. But I'm excited to see what's the final look, you know, once I remove the wig, because one thing I learned with my other wig glue is that when I'm trying to wash the units, I'm spending a lot of time having to take the glue off the lace, and I despise that part. And I've seen where people say like you can soak it, and if you soak it, it'll come off easier. I think I've also seen where people use like what is that called, a toothbrush to like rub on the lace to get the glue off. But if this is an easier way to, you know, get this glue off, then I'm all here for this product. So it says, let the remover sit for 2 to 4 minutes before removing lace piece. The longer the remover sits, the easier the removal will be. And then wipe off remover and glue residue. And then it just says follow up with clarifying shampoo and repeat as necessary. So yeah. But yeah, it's definitely like a greasy consistency. I would say it's been about, oh look at that. It's been about 2 minutes. I'm trying to look. Y'all see that? Slowly but surely lifting. This part is connected to my hair. So sorry if you guys can hear they're cutting the grass, but anybody got time for them to be cutting the grass? But yeah, so this part I actually already have it. Look at that. Y'all see that? Whoa. This is definitely a different kind of video. I usually don't end my videos like this, but I wanted to show you guys the finished product. And I told you I will give you guys an update. So let's check this side. So you guys can see it's just coming up. Wow, look at that. Okay, so I definitely say this is a much better cleaning process than my other glue is. And I love that. Look at that. All right. Look at y'all. Gonna look like a bald head scallywag. But look, she off. She is off, okay? So yeah, even the cleaning process is going to be very minimal. I can see it already because it's not a lot of glue like stuck to the lace. So I'm absolutely loving that. Look at my bald cap is still intact. That's amazing. It is tacky, so I will have to, of course, clean, but I wanted to just give you guys the look of what it looks like. So yeah, hair is still intact. I'm loving it. I do not want to talk more on camera looking like this, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys are thinking. Let me know if you guys use this product and how you liked it, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.